It just doesn't make sense. You get me? It absolutely doesn't make no fucking sense, man. Ketchup in the Rustle fridge, you know. Hey, let me call someone and ask if they put ketchup in the fridge, fam. Oh, hey, fam, man, that's too much. I'm fucking high five. Listen, fam, no, let me call, I need to call someone, fam. Because now, bro, fucked. I can't let that go. That is so fucked up still. No way, fam. Man can put a ketchup in the Rustle fridge, bro. No way, fam. That is so fucked up, man. That is so fucked up. So, fucked up, still, man. With the ketchup in the Rustle fridge and them things there. No, that is fucked. That is absolutely fucked, still. You niggas are fucked. I trust me, brown eyes. I mean, brown eyes can be, so trust me. Like, it's mad, B. You get me, fam. I can't get over that because I've never known a person in my whole life to put ketchup in the fridge and they say that I'm tapped. I'm tapped because I don't put ketchup in my rascal fridge, but who the fuck puts ketchup in their fridge? I've never done that in my whole year since I've been alive for 26 years of my fucking life, bro. I'm 26 years old. I've never put any of my family or anybody that I know is never ever put no like ketchup in their fridge, bro. You know what I'm saying? Like ketchup in the fridge, bro. Like, what the fuck? You kept me there meant to put like fucking chicken or some shit like that in the fucking fridge or freezer or some shit. You know what I'm saying? Or other shit in that, buff that you cooking that. The fuck, fam? What's wrong with these youths, fam? Like, chatting bare shit in that, man. Mm, it's mad still. Ketchup in the fridge, you know, that's a legendary thing still. I fam. Oh shit, cuz the speaker is still. Oh, ketchup in the fridge, you know. Ketchup in the fridge, fam. Hey, Rams. Hey, fam, I need to ask you something, my brother, fam. Hey, bro, have you ever put ketchup in your fridge, my guy? Fam, I don't understand. What's wrong with these youths, my guy, man? I'm hearing about niggas that putting ketchup in the fridge, my guy. I just wanted to clarify something, fam. Nah, man said ketchup in the fridge, my guy. I swear down. Well, have you done that before, though? Nah, but in the fridge? Nah, my guy, man. So what you saying? So what? If you got ketchup in your house, so what you saying? You put that in the fridge, my brother? Hmm? Exactly, fam. It's long, my brother, fam. Motherfucker, so when you're telling me you would put cool, you said you don't put it in the fridge, yeah, but it'll make sense to put it there to refresh it there. I heard that. So what you saying? So you're gonna put it in the fridge, yeah, and you get some fresh food, and what? You're gonna have fucking what? You're gonna have fucking what do you call it? Cold ketchup on your fucking on your chips, my guy. I know you, man. You probably would do that as well, man. Exactly, man. That's bummy, fam. Man can't be having cold ketchup and now. You don't even get that in CT. You get me? Even CT and that don't even do that, my guy. Get me? Even man at Chicken Cottage don't even fucking do that shit, my guy, man. That's embarrassing, my guy. I can't even get over that still. You get me? Nah, it's so fat though, but you good though, my guy. You good over there. Hmm? Hmm? Yeah, you sound fucked still, man. I'm fried as well, my guy. From I swear down, from I'm trying to actually be sober, cause you get me. I'm probably gonna be up all night today, my guy. Man, it's fucked, man. What's your thing saying? Been pumping?